How to activate Zleg account. And first things first, if you haven't downloaded the app, you just simply go to your Google Play Store and look for Zleg. But if you already have the Zleg application, make sure that you're currently running the latest version. Now, once you have fully verified everything, all you have to do is access the game and make sure that you're logged into your account. What you want to do next is just to tap your current profile picture at the top right portion of your screen. Then once you're here, so to fully activate your Zleg account, make sure that you have set up your account settings field. So you'll have to comply and complete your personal information. The most important thing is going to be your payment method, set it up, as well as your username, your email, and password. So once everything is set up, you will now then be able to fully activate your Zleg account without doing anything. So again, you'll just have to complete all the account settings, the personal information, payment methods, username, email, password, and it will automatically be fully activated by itself. So that's how you activate your Zleg account.